How to fix verification failed and unknown error occurred. So if you want to fix verification failed and unknown error occurred on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having a stable internet connection, you need to go back and then open up your settings. Now, after opening your settings, you need to come to this page. Now you need to scroll down and go with General. Under General, you need to scroll down again, and then on the bottom, you will find an option of Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on it, and then tap on Reset, which will be on the bottom. And now you need to tap on Reset Network Settings and reset all of your network settings. Once you've reset your network settings, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just simply go back and restart your iPhone. And after that, you need to simply turn on your phone again. And next thing you need to do is check whether you have connected to any VPN services or not. Because if you've connected, then you might find this kind of problems. So you just need to simply turn on just go with the VPN and then make sure that it is not turned on. If it is, then just simply go and turn off your VPN. And after making sure that no VPN is connected, then what you have to do is simply go for the next solution, which is go back to your settings. And from the settings, you need to tap on your Apple ID and then sign out of your Apple ID. Here you need to scroll down and then you'll find the option of sign out. Just simply go and sign out, or simply try changing the password. After changing your password, simply sign in into your Apple ID with your new Apple ID password and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.